How to fix Hearthstone error starting game. 1. Exit then restart the game. 2. Quit then relaunch battle.net client. 3. Run Hearthstone.exe as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Like this. 4. Leave the fireside gathering in-game. Path, main menu Friends tab options. 5. Reset your card deck. 6. Reset Hearthstone graphics settings. Hint, launch the reset in-game settings. 7. Switch networks, if you can. 8. Add a firewall exception for Hearthstone.exe. Like this. 9. Scan and repair Hearthstone files via battle.net. Launcher. 10. Uninstall then reinstall Hearthstone.